Welcome tech lovers, Ibrar here. Today I am going to cover user management of Nginx Proxy Manager. This is the part 10 of Nginx Proxy Manager 0 to Hero series. I am making complete production grade video of it. If you not watched previous part, watch that one first. Deployment guide is available in the part 1 video description. Just copy paste it and enjoy. User management provide mainly two roles, which is limited user and admin user. Also you can either enable user or disable user if it is required. Let's jump to the live without any delay. Once you open Nginx Proxy Manager, do the login and go in the user management and add user. Fill the username, full name, nickname and email ID. Here I am putting Harry Potter. And here once you save, it will ask for the role. So I'm not providing administrator and neither I'm disabling it. Just save it. And it's ask for permission to set Harry. Here you can see item visibility. So item visibility mainly this is related to user. If you provide item, then it will be able to see all proxy host created by any other user. If you select this one, created item only, it means it will able to see only created item by itself. Okay, so I'm clicking on all item, and here I'm providing the full access, manage, redirect, everything. I'm putting full access. User is created, so let's add the password here. Change password. I am putting very simple password. Password saved. Done. Let's test it. So do the login with the Harry at example.com. Once you do the login, so you can see mainly, let me show you edit permission. Here I provided how much permission: proxy host, redirection host, 404, stream, access list and SSL certificate. Only those things available here. You can see 4 options here, and access list, SSL certificate, that is only option available here. Okay, if you want to hide some things here, let's say I want to hide proxy host, also I want to hide SSL certificate, you can just do that and you can see real-time update here. You cannot find proxy host. Let me hide other options. Okay, I am doing all the, you can see nothing is available. Okay, and you can edit permission and provide the view only permission. Now you can see you cannot manage, you cannot add SSL certificate and you cannot delete it. There is no customization option because we check the read only permission. Okay, in the access list you can see we cannot modify. In the proxy host we cannot modify anything. We can read it but we cannot modify. Okay, and also you can notice here the user management, audit log and setting options are missing here because it's option available only in the administrator. Let's say here role is administrator not assigned, so if you assign the role administrator here, okay, after assigning the role administrator you can find all options here. You can see user management, audit log, settings, every options available. Okay, now you can see here we provided administrator access, but still I am not able to delete or edit proxy host. because of you need to manage permission again. Okay, so these user administrators, some item cannot be altered because we change this. So edit this option, disable it, and after that change the permission. Okay, I want to change all permission to manage, and after that I can assign administrator access. In that case we can do each and everything. Let's say in the host I can do whatever I want. Okay, user management provide basically two types of management. Here you can see either administrator, either we can manage it manually, I mean a limited rule. And make sure setting and user management audit log is only available in the administrator mode. So make sure you must provide the administrator access to administrator user, and before that before providing the administrator access you must allow the all permission to that user. Let's say if I again editing permission and I am let me check hiding, I make all hidden options, and after that I am making this administrator, but still I am not able to do any operation. Okay, you can see here I cannot do any operation. It's available but I cannot do any operation. For that I need to edit, I need to assign manage permission first. Okay, first I need to disable administrator options, and after that I need to change the permission manage, and top of that I can assign administrator role. Okay, after that you can see here I can manage each and everything. I can manage SSL, I can manage everything. Okay, and yes, let me check the disable user. If not required then you can disable it, and once you refresh it it will be log out. Okay, I am doing the login again, and here you can see I am not able to log in even putting the correct credential. So in user management you can see we can assign limited permission, administrator permission, and we can disable the user. It is very simple, nothing is complex, so you can use it. Okay, if I disable enable user, and after that I can do the login. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any question leave a comment. Thank you very much, have a nice day ahead, see you in the next video.